Hello, Craig here again. How to make money online for free, part 5. Here I'm going to show you how to shorten your affiliate link and make it look sexy. Okay, so when you share it, it doesn't look like a long, ugly link. So if you remember, we go to your Groove affiliate program. We left click on that. We wait for it to load. Then we scroll, wait for the page. Come on, I haven't got all day. Then you scroll down to your promotional tools. You click on links. You copy to clipboard your copy affiliate link for the Groove funnels. Copy affiliate links. I've copied the clipboard. Right, now you've copied your affiliate link. You open up a new tab. This is free to do. Let's go to Rebrandly. You go to Rebrandly, custom URL shortener. We click on that. And you sign up for free. You click on sign up for free. So click on remind. I'm already a member, so I don't have to do that. Okay, so you sign up for free. And then once you've signed up for free, you log in, you will see this dashboard. And what you now do is you put new link. Then you right click and paste your link, which came from there, the same link. You look, finishes 898. Finishes 898. So what you would do is then you /tag that, make it sound sexy. Let's see if funnels for free. Funnels for free. Is that available? Link rebranded. So I've just made a link that says Rebrandly funnels for free. So if I was to copy that, where it says copy, and I paste that into Google there, you will see what it now looks like. Rebrandly funnels for free. So when that gets posted into, that is now your affiliate link name. So it's gone from looking like that, a big, long, ugly affiliate link. You've gone into sign up with Rebrandly. It's free. You don't have to pay. And I've just made this one up here. And you copy that, new URL. That's what it looks like there. So when that gets, someone clicks on your link or types it into the top, where do they go? But they go to the sign up page for Groove. That was very, very easy. Then your customer will go to get started like you did when you signed up, and they enter their details, no credit card ever required, and bang, they get free access to the software. Where you learnt in the last video to find your statistics of when people sign up, you press quickly, you press Groove Affiliate, you click on reporting, and then you have the people's names and email addresses to start sending emails. So that's how to shorten your affiliate link. To make your affiliate link look sexy, what I will do is I will trash that. So if somebody wanted to try and rebrand their link to say funnels for free, they're quite welcome to do it. I'm deleting that link because I already have my link there, Groove Super Deal. Okay, so that's how you do it. That's today's lesson finished. That's the end of part 5. I will see you in part 6, where I will show you how to set up a free website and upload it to the internet for free. Okay, see you soon.